Welcome to this overview of Zerobounce Email Cleaner. Zerobounce is a tool designed to help businesses and marketers clean and validate their email lists. It ensures your email campaigns reach real, valid users and increases the likelihood of high engagement. The platform's core feature is email validation. It checks and removes bad, risky, and invalid email addresses that could harm your sender reputation. One of the key advantages of Zerobounce is its accuracy in identifying problematic email addresses. It also offers real-time email verification, which means you can validate email addresses instantly. The platform supports bulk email list cleaning, making it perfect for businesses with large customer databases. Additionally, Zerobounce provides an analytics feature that offers insights into the quality of your email lists, helping you improve future campaigns. However, while Zerobounce is an excellent tool for email validation, it does have some limitations. For one, it can be a bit pricey for small businesses, especially those with a limited budget. There is also a cap on the number of email addresses you can clean depending on the plan you choose, which may require frequent top-ups if you have a very large list. Zerobounce offers several services aside from email validation, including email appending, email scoring, and an inbox placement tool. These services allow you to gain further insights into your email list's health and improve your email campaign results. However, it's important to know that these services come with additional costs. In terms of pricing, Zerobounce offers different plans based on the number of email addresses you want to clean. You can choose from pay-as-you-go options or subscribe to monthly or annual plans that offer discounted rates. It's not the cheapest option out there, but it does provide a premium service with great results. If you're looking for an alternative email manager that offers excellent features for email cleaning, I highly recommend checking out Clean Email. It's a solid choice for organizing and managing your inbox, and I highly suggest following my link in the description for the best email manager. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like if you found it helpful. It really helps me create more content like this for you. Thanks for watching.